In this video, I'm diving into testing the best 1 minute and higher trading strategy by luxalgo to uncover its real win rate. The creator claims it works wonders across all markets, crypto, stocks, and forex. For my backtesting, I'm using USDJPY on a 1 minute time frame with an initial account size of $1,000 and a 2% risk per trade. So watch until the end for the results plus more. Let's get started. First up, let's set up our indicators. We'll add 3 key ones to our chart 1, Superichi indicator. This is a modified version of the Akimoku cloud, incorporating the super trend indicator. It helps us gauge trends: green for uptrend, red for downtrend, and inside the cloud indicates a ranging market. 2. Support and resistance. With breaks, this gives us pivot points and identifies significant breaks using volume oscillator. Green or red labels indicate breakout points where we'll enter trades. 3. The well-known RSI indicator. This is crucial for exiting trades oversold for shorts and overbought for longs. Don't worry, I'll leave a video link as a suggested box. By the end of the video, which I showed you how to use these indicators on the free plan of TradingView, so stick around until the end. Now, let's go over the exact rules for this strategy. For long trade conditions, price closes above the super rich, the green cloud, confirm bullish breakout with the green label, enter at the close of the trigger candle, set stop loss at recent lowest price, and finally, exit when RSI crosses above 70. As for short trade conditions, price moves below the super rich, the red cloud, confirm bearish breakout with a red label, enter at the close of the trigger candle, set stop loss at recent highest price, and finally exit when RSI drops below 30, unless the strategy signals otherwise. Now let's go through back testing, but before that, elevate your trading game to new heights. Look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With Funded Next, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get? Don't pay. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. After applying these rules and conducting rigorous backtesting, here are the results. Win rate was an impressive 69%, which is exceptionally high for a 1-minute scalping strategy. And of course, by increasing the time frame, it will grow gradually. The amount of profit achieved was over 173% gain on the account after 100 trades, which I could manage to find in 45 days. The profit factor of 2.7 with 9 consecutive wins against 4 consecutive losses. Maximal drawdown recorded at 7.76%. And last but not least, the biggest profit trade was a 20% increase on the account. But remember, you can apply this strategy to various currency pairs for potentially even greater returns. Consider enhancing the strategy further by incorporating volume or volatility indicators to refine your entries and exits. Welcome aboard our crypto arc, where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. As I'm a man of my word, here's the video I promised, which is about how to go limitless on TradingView free plan, plus more. If you're looking to boost your profits even more, exploring different exit indicators or additional tweaks could be beneficial. Check out more strategies in our other videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on profitable trading strategies. Happy trading, my friends, and see you in the next one.